I'm back. And as promised, I'm going to show you a different way to put hooks on these. So in the last video I made, we made these same exact kind of earrings, except we just put regular sterling silver hooks on them. Today I'm going to show you how to use 20 gauge wire to make them a little bit more decorative. So what we're going to start out with is the 20 gauge wire. You want to do about probably about 3 inches, just to be safe. I'd rather have too much wire than not enough. So you're going to cut two pieces of the 3-inch wire. Wire snippers is what I'm using here. Then I'm going to take my chain nose pliers, which do not have the ridges. This is just a flat chain nose plier. And I'm going to take this piece of wire and I'm going to about half or about a third of the way, I'm going to bend it right in half so it looks like an L. Just like that. Now I'm going to take my needle nose pliers, which are these, and I'm going to put it about right there, and I'm going to bring this wire over to touch the other wire, just like that. I'm going to remove these, put them back in around the same spot, and I'm going to bring this over, just like that. So it looks like an L with a little loop. I'm going to take the needle nose pliers off. Then I'm going to take the earring and I'm just going to pop this on here. And you just pop. And then you're going to take the chain nose pliers and you're going to hold this shut. And you're going to wrap this wire around a couple times. So just like that, 1, 2. And then you're going to snip this little piece and tighten that down a little bit right there. So that's what it should look like. And you're going to do that with both pieces. So we're going to do that again. All right, now I've picked this stone. This is called Imperial Jasper. It's one of my favorite kinds of stone. As you can see, it's got little different patterns. Not two are the same, they just all look different. And they really match the beautiful green. So you're gonna slip one of these on here, just like that. And then you're going to take your wire, you're going to turn it sideways because you want this loop to go like this because you're going to put it on an earring hook. So you want to take it, just take your finger like that. Again, do the L, just like that. Slip this in here, bring it back around, just like we did originally. You're going to take these out, put them back in, and then you're going to bring this all the way out so it looks like that. Then what you want to do is just wrap this around a couple times towards at the back. You don't want to do this at the front because then you have a little wire poking out. You're going to snip the excess and then you're going to take your chain nose pliers and just tuck that in right there. Just like that. And then you're going to take that piece. You're going to pop open the ear wire. Put this on here. Of course, the flower side facing up. And close that up. And you're going to do the exact same thing with the other one. So again, bead on, Turn it to the side. Do your bend. Get your needle nose pliers. Bring it around. Again, around like that. And then wrap it 2 times. Cut off the excess with your snippers, your wire cutters. Tuck that little piece in right there. And then we're going to do the same thing here. We're just going to put it on the earring wire. And now you have a super cute pair of earrings. Thanks for watching, you guys.